some sort of accessory. Okay. So it's actually the Velka 7. Pretty good wrap. Really soft. And I'll be honest with you, that's the beauty of it. It's small, so I'm able to put it in the side of my TV. Comes with its case, with everything that you require. Peanuts in the bag, and an extra foot accessory, which is cool. There's a power button. Side. Here, I'm gonna have to swap it around so I could get this part usable. That's gonna be for the display port and everything else. I love that it's behind it. Thank you.